Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can stop email bounce errors in Yahoo Mail. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to mail.yahoo.com and log in to your Yahoo Mail account. Now, on your screen, as you can see, I am currently composing an email. I am going to show you how to fix one of the most frustrating email issues, email bounce errors. Now, let's walk through the simple steps to get your messages delivered successfully. Step 1. Check the email address. First, double check the email address you're sending to. Even a small typo, like a missing letter or an extra dot, can cause immediate bounce. Make sure the domain is correct too, like .com, .net, or .org. Step 2. Clear your Yahoo outbox. Go to your sent folder or outbox. Sometimes, older failed emails get stuck and trigger errors. Delete any emails marked as failed or undelivered. Next, Yahoo Mail has a 25 MB attachment limit. If your files are too large, your message will bounce. Try compressing files or uploading them to a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Then send the link instead. Step 4 is to make sure you're not blacklisted. Bounce errors can happen if Yahoo temporarily flags your account for unusual activity. To fix this, stop sending bulk emails for a while and change your password to secure your account. You can also check if the recipient has accidentally added you to their block list. Lastly, contact Yahoo support. If you've tried everything and emails are still bouncing, the issue might be on Yahoo's end or with the recipient's mail server. At this point, reach out to Yahoo support for further help. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!